In this video, we will see how we can record our screen using OBS, which is a free and very fast and lightweight software. Let's see how we can do this thing. At first, click on the Start menu and open the OBS application. I'm going to type OBS in the search so that I can find the OBS Studio very fast. And once I find it, click on it and the OBS Studio will be opened shortly. Once it is opened, it will be like this thing. To record our entire screen, at first we need to click this plus icon and it will bring us this type of menu. From here we have to choose display capture. Once we click here, then it will ask us this type of window. So it is asked to create a new name, display name, right? So I'm going to type like Win 11 screen, and then we can press the OK button to add that here, and then it will show like this type of thing. From here we can choose the settings, but I'm not going to choose any of the settings, and then I'm going to press OK button, and now it will start recording the entire screen. So let's see whether it is actually doing that or not if we start recording. So I'm going to press this start recording, this button. Once I click start recording, it will start recording, and I can minimize this thing just to check whether it is working properly. And I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to minimize here, and again I'm trying to click the start menu, and it is opening like this way. And then we can also do one thing. The software we already installed, we don't need, we can delete it, and we can press the delete button like this, and then we can close this thing. So let's see whether it is able to record and play that one. So I'm going to press this stop recording, this button, and it will be stopped. Now let's open the recording location. So I'm going to file, show recording, and it will bring us the recording location. And here we are seeing that the video is recorded over there, which is the screen recording video. I'm going to double click and I'm going to play it, and if I play it, I'm going to see that it recorded the entire screen, right? So if we zoom, if we make the full screen, then we are seeing that whatever we did, it recorded the entire screen, right? So that's it guys. In this way we can easily record our entire screen using OBS, which is a very handy and free software. Thank you guys for watching the video.